Most people get this wrong when they try to add a vanilla gift card to PayPal. They assume it works like a normal debit card, and then they get stuck when PayPal rejects it. But here's the truth no one tells you. Vanilla gift cards are not directly supported in the same way as bank-issued cards, so the method has to be done correctly. In this video, you'll learn the exact step-by-step process to try adding a vanilla gift card to PayPal in 2026, what actually works, what doesn't, and how to avoid common errors that cause instant declines. Let's start with the basics. A vanilla gift card is a prepaid Visa or MasterCard. So technically PayPal should accept it as a card. But here's the problem. PayPal requires proper billing information linked to the card, and most vanilla cards are not registered when you first get them. So the first step is registration. Go to the official vanilla gift card website and register your card with a valid billing zip code. This step is critical. Without it, PayPal will usually reject the card immediately. Someone like Alex might try skipping this step and think the card is broken, but it's actually just unverified. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even after registration, PayPal can still reject prepaid cards if they don't pass their security checks. This does not mean the card is invalid. It just means PayPal cannot confirm the card as a long-term funding source. So here's what you do next. Open PayPal, go to Wallet, and select Link a Card. Enter your vanilla gift card details exactly as they appear. Make sure the billing address matches the one you used during registration. Even a small mismatch can cause a decline. But here's the problem most people face. They try to use the card for verification or subscriptions. PayPal often blocks prepaid cards for recurring payments or account verification. So even if linking works, usage may still be limited. In a minute, I'll show you the workaround that increases your chances of success. Try using the card for a small one-time purchase instead of linking it for full account use. For example, buying a low-cost item or sending a small payment can sometimes trigger successful acceptance. Also, ensure the card has a small buffer balance because PayPal may place temporary authorization holds. If it still doesn't work, don't keep retrieving rapidly. That can trigger fraud protection. Wait a few hours, then try again with corrected details. So here's the bottom line. Yes, you can sometimes add a vanilla gift card to PayPal, but only if it's properly registered, correctly matched with billing details, and used within PayPal's prepaid card limits. If this helped you understand the process clearly, like the video, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple PayPal fixes and money tips that actually work in real life.